Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a sweet bug card with you. So for this card I've used Heffy Doodle stamps, and it's the Big Bug Hug stamp sets, and I'm just stamping these onto some Copic friendly cardstock. And then once all my images are stamped, I'm going to go ahead and do some Copic colouring, and all the Copics will be listed down below in the description box. And if you want to skip the Copic colouring, if you just go to around 3:53, I'll carry on with the rest of the card. Okay, so for this part I've used Sunny Studio stamps die in frilly frame stripes, and I've used Paper Mill Direct Super Smooth White cardstock. So now I'm just going to go ahead and ink blend the background using some distress inks. And the first distress ink I'm using is Tumbled Glass, so I'm just putting this on my sponge, and then I'm going to go in with the Distress Oxide Sponge Sugar, and I'm going to ink blend this onto the card. And then I'm also going to use Squeezed Lemonade, and that's Distress Oxide too. And that piece of card, you can see I'm just using that to protect the ink blending, otherwise I tend to get fingerprints everywhere. And once this is all blended together, I'm going to go in with the shaded lilac ink, and I'm going to be using some water and a paintbrush, and then I'm just going to mix the water with the ink and then just do some little light taps over the card. And then I wanted to add some grass, so I die cut some grass using Paper Mill Direct, and that's the apple green card. And I've just used double-sided tape to adhere this down. And next I'm just going to go ahead and try and place all these cute little critters on the card. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and make my card base, and I've used Baby Pink Playing Card by Paper Mill Direct, so I'm just going to go ahead and adhere the panel to the card base. And I wanted to heat emboss the sentiment, so I used some Wow embossing powder in opaque bright white and some violet playing card, which again is Paper Mill Direct. And this stamp is Sending You Big Bug Hugs, and it's part of the Heffy Doodle Big Bug Hugs stamp set. And I'm just adding my embossing powder, and you'll see in a minute that there's a couple of bits of powder that's stuck to the card. So all I do is just get a dry paintbrush and then just gently brush away the bits of embossing powder. And then once that's heat embossed, I'm just going to go ahead and trim the sentiment down, and then I'm going to adhere it to my card base using some foam pads. And then once that's placed on there, I'm just going to go ahead and finish off adding all the little critters. They're so sweet. And I'm just adding these little cute bees just to finish off the card. And there we go, the card's all complete. If there's any other cards you'd like to see or any suggestions, please leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.